Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. Fun story, I actually made a video on Solana yesterday, but I didn't upload it because the audio was completely butchered. It was distorted and I sounded like a robot who could not understand me. So yeah, we're covering it again today, and today we actually have some more confirmation. So somewhere it's also a blessing. I don't know where, but somewhere. So we'll do a full update on Solana. We'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about the fundamentals, basically everything you need to know. Solana has been, as most of you know, very bearish over the last week. It also has been relatively more bearish than Cardano and Matic, which those cryptos are kind of batched together as the most heard cryptos of last week, with all of the news with the SEC and the delistings. But alright, it's not the end of the story. Solana has held its own pretty well when the market crashed. Most cryptos actually fell down harder than this, even though most cryptos right now are also recovering a little bit, but Solana is trying to do that as well. But we'll talk about whether that's likely or not. And basically, yeah, like I said, everything you need to know. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join my premium group, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. It's very easy to join, and in those links or via those links, you'll get instructions on how to join. All right, but now onto Solana. So what I always do with especially cryptos that have an underlying network is I check out some statistics. What you see right now with Solana is that we're actually doing fairly well. I mean, the total value locked is not amazing compared to other cryptos that have such a high market cap. But it has stabilized a little bit since we had that little bit of a drop off. So it has stabilized. That's good. The price though is not doing that well. Cardano and Matic actually did have some sort of an uptrend after that initial spike. With Solana, kind of what you see right now, and this is definitely not. This is not exactly how it is, but this is kind of the structure, right? And it actually lines up quite well as well. Like we had that initial recovery the first day after, so until Sunday, and then we actually started dropping down. And then with that bearish momentum we got yesterday after the interest rate decision, we also had some sort of a bearish breakout through this level right here. And this is really, you cannot see it on the chart, but the most important level in my eyes really is this level between 15.3 and $15. That's like $15 is a main psychological level. $15 is also a very strong key level, but 15.3 also houses the 382 fib, and there's a different fib there which is golden, so that means a lot in my analysis always. So that's the main level. So I think at this point of time, the most likely scenario, if we take a look at the entire market and what I expect from that, I think the most likely scenario is that we'll see some bullish momentum on the short term, but then followed by bearish momentum. And the big question is right now, I think that bullish momentum will bring us up to 15.3, but then the bearish momentum will kick in, and it's not going to be strong enough to break above that. And I think it's more likely we'll drop down to $14, and if the bearish momentum actually stays into the markets, drop down all the way to this level between 13 and 12.5. I think that's the most likely scenario at this point of time. Now, like I said, I mean, I do expect some bullish momentum. You can see that Bitcoin is getting some. The dollar strength index is slowly dropping down, which is good. So there's actually a possibility, and that's the main thing that Solana is banking on, that we will be able to break above 15.3. And that would be amazing, because then we actually are pretty stable. Then we'll just consolidate between $16 and $15, and we'll wait for some big movements from the market again. But like I said, I don't think this is the most likely scenario. I think this is more likely. In the end, we will see. I will keep you updated on this as well. But for now, that's my full analysis. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.